Ever feel like your money just disappears into thin air? You're not alone. We all know that feeling of dread when you check your bank account and wonder where all your hard-earned cash went. Well, today, we're diving deep into an app that promises to help you regain control of your finances, PocketGuard. Now, the app market is flooded with financial tools, budgeting apps, investment platforms, you name it. So, what makes PocketGuard stand out? Is it just another expense tracker? Or does it offer something truly unique? Let's find out. At its heart, PocketGuard is a personal finance management app. But it's not just about tracking your spending. It goes beyond that. Here's the lowdown. Effortless budgeting. Forget complicated spreadsheets. PocketGuard automatically analyzes your income and expenses. It even factors in your bills and upcoming commitments, giving you a clear picture of your available spending money. In-depth spending analysis. Want to know where your money actually goes? PocketGuard breaks down your spending into categories like dining, entertainment, and transportation. This helps you identify spending leaks and make smarter financial decisions. Goal setting and tracking. Whether it's saving for a vacation or paying off debt, PocketGuard helps you set realistic financial goals and track your progress. It provides motivation and keeps you accountable. Bill reminders and payment scheduling. Say goodbye to late fees. PocketGuard reminds you of upcoming bills and even helps you schedule automatic payments. Easy-to-use interface. Let's be honest, no one wants to deal with a complicated app. PocketGuard boasts a user-friendly interface that makes managing your finances a breeze. But what truly sets PocketGuard apart is its focus on in-pocket money. This refers to the amount of money you have available to spend without impacting your essential bills or savings goals. It's a powerful concept that helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. Now, you might be wondering, is PocketGuard really worth it? Well, it depends on your needs. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to track your spending, create a budget, and stay on top of your finances, then PocketGuard is definitely worth considering. However, it's important to note that while PocketGuard excels in many areas, it may not be the best option for advanced users who require in-depth investment tracking or complex budgeting features. So, there you have it. PocketGuard is a user-friendly app that can help you gain control of your finances. Whether you're a beginner or simply looking for a more streamlined approach to money management, it's definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.